Hey. Vision till you will do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew.
Good morning, y'all. I was just about to leave the house, but I decided to show you the packages I received during the course of the week. If you're not following me on Instagram, then you don't know that did I post it on Shorts? I think I did. I can't remember, but this is just me officially announcing that I started a new series on my page called the Book Talk with Chantel. For those of you that know, I don't know if people know. Actually, I'm yapping at this point, but I really love books. I really love reading. If you watch most of my vlogs, especially when I'm going to the salon, I just have a book with me. And BTS, I read a lot of books. So I decided that I was going to come online and then give my reviews, especially for books relating to African authors. And I've done, I think, 2-3 episodes. I can't remember. Yeah, I got my first book PR. A publishing company called Paperworth Books reached out to me and they sent me their best-selling books to read. I'm so excited. I'm just looking at all of them here. They sent me a bunch of books. See how many? 6 books. So the one I'm currently reading is this one called The Girl in the Picture. I love the cover page. It's so cute. Amaka Azie is one of my absolute favorite African authors. I really love her books. I read The Senator's Daughter. I've read another one in that series as well. And then they sent me Ahame Fula by Ezinne Ibe. This one will just be a couple hours read. I heard it's interesting. Authentic Mama by Olunosen Louisa Ibaze. This one cute cover page. Piece and Pieces. This is a compilation of short stories, which I'm excited to read. I like short stories. Tomorrow Died Yesterday. This seems like a very interesting read. It is by Chimeka Garrix. Oh yeah, Piece and Pieces is by Paul Ubede, sorry if I'm mispronouncing it. The last book they sent to me is Rain Can Never Know by Michael Amfemfa. Oh gosh. Afemfia. Yes. It's sounding Ghanaian to me. I don't know. But yeah, those are the books. So thank you, Paperworth Books. I'm so excited. This is actually my second publishing company reaching out to me. The first one reached out to me, but I'm yet to get the books. But Paperworth delivered right on time. I'm about to leave the house. Like I mentioned, I want to go and make my hair. You guys, my hair is a mess, a hot mess. I can't even show you because I'm shy. But yeah, I've showered, I've done skincare. My skin is going through a phase, which I will share with you all very soon. It's a long video. There's just a lot happening. But yeah, I've been documenting it. Scent of the day is Prada Paradox Radical Essence. I'm gonna say Essence. Smells really nice. A new fragrance from Prada. Beautiful. I'm going to be going crochet again. I really enjoyed that last crochet hair I used, but this one is from one of my favorite hair brands in China called Ulahair. I've done reviews for them. This should be like my 4th or 5th review. Their hair quality is so good.
And it went like...
Let's see what is in the bag first. They always like to send goodies. Oh, lashes, comb. I have a lot of Ulahair combs. Edge band, a cute bow clip, a crochet wand, and their cards. So it just gives you like refund policy, hair care, everything to expect from Ulahair. So next is the hair itself. This time they sent me their multi-textured crochet hair. It's a mix of Pixie Curl in 20 inches as well as Kinky Curly in 20 inches as well. I'm really curious to see how this will pan out. I don't know which one I'll put behind or which one I'll put in front, but yeah, you guys will see the end results. It's in human hair per usual. If you want to get good curly hair, right? This is one secret that most people don't let out or people don't share with others. Good curly hair is gotten from China. Like, you want really good quality of curly hair for an affordable price, just buy from China. Their quality is good in that regard. So yeah, this is what we're working with today. I'm going to my people airport, so they'll know what to do, and then they'll fix the crochet. I don't want to do the have Jada Wader style I did the last time. That one was cute, but let me try something else. The feather loop right here, that is so easy to attach. So easy. This hair is reusable per usual. Finger is just running through it easily. It's such a good quality hair. Yeah, so thank you, Ulahair. Let's go to the salon, Jerry. At least now that it's still morning. What's the time? 9:52. So before 12, I should be done. I'm back home. Don't click out. Do not click out. It's an interesting vlog. Thank you.
Hey. This Chantel annual. Do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel annual. Do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. Yeah, it's your homegirl Chantel. And you know I really like your style. Outfits, yeah, they always on fleek. Put you in a new product to ignite your smile. Blow kiss shit like that crowd. Yeah, living the dreams, amazing. And don't care what they think. For the ones that she loves, she go hard in the paint. Up in the ring and she styling. She always gon' ride and you know that we vibing. Come join, yeah, I hope you subscribed in. New videos weekly, she vlog for her peoples whenever she go to the islands. Self-development shown in the content. Yeah, she helping you lift up your conscience. Whoa, this is Chantel, but you already know. This Chantel, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. 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 This Chantel annual. Do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel annual. Do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. Yeah, it's your homegirl Chantel. And you know I really like your style. Outfits, yeah, they always on fleek. Put you in a new product to ignite your smile. Blow kiss shit like that crowd. Yeah, living the dreams, amazing. And don't care what they think. For the ones that she loves, she go hard in the paint. Up in the ring and she styling. She always gon' ride and you know that we vibing. Come join, yeah, I hope you subscribed in. New videos weekly, she vlog for her peoples whenever she go to the islands. Self-development shown in the content. Yeah, she helping you lift up your conscience. Whoa, this is Chantel, but you already know. This Chantel, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel annual. Do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew.
Yo, I'm out of the salon and this is what I'm working with. It looks so cute. I love the side weave I have going on. It's so lightweight. It doesn't feel like I have anything on my head. From your end, I'm sure it looks heavy because I mean, it seems like I have a lot of load on my head. I can twirl, do everything. It looks really good. I had them unravel the curls a bit just to give it that fuller finish. I opted not to use deep conditioner or anything on this first use, but over time, probably after a couple of days, I will just spritz it with water and leave-in conditioner. But I love this look I have going on. It's just giving carefree. It's giving babe. Fine girl, Sha. Thank you, Ulahair, for sending me this hair. I'll leave all the details, discount code, every nice thing that you need to purchase this hair and have you save some coins in the process. I'll leave it in the description box for you all to click and it will automatically redirect you to their website. Yeah? This my side profile is looking so cute. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. If you got to this part, hope you enjoyed watching. Like I told you, I was going to take the the girl in the picture to the salon. And I read quite a bit up till here, but my salon girls, we're friends, so they were just gisting. We were talking about recent happenings, the whole weekend, and that FAQS guy, Regina Daniels. It was just gist. But yeah, I'm out of the space. I'm about heading home, and wanted to end this vlog here. Subscribe if you're not yet a member of the Chantel Nation family. Give the video a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how pretty I look. All right, yo, bye.
Impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do